Hello again, I'm Jeff and thank you for joining me on my latest video from Diecast Powder Coat and Restoration. Today we'll be restoring a Matchbox Major Series Bedford articulated truck in the Walls ice cream livery. Okay, so let's have a little look over the lorry. First of all though, may I apologise, this video is filmed about 3 weeks in advance and it's now in the middle of Storm Dennis, so you can hear the rain on the roof, so it's a very miserable day. Now this truck comes apart very easily. The cab area just twists off and then the base just pulls out, so it's very easy, no drilling today. Okay, so now we go ahead and uncrimp the axles, just enough to pull the wheels off. This is the scene now from my outdoor powder coating booth, which will lead to some difficulties a little bit later on. We're going to now media blast the parts. I've had to adapt a hoover to extract the dust from the cabinet. After media blasting, we give the body a good rub over with a spinning wire brush. And now the cab area. Now give the model a quick wipe down with acetone. And now put the 3 parts into the oven for 10 minutes to bake out any impurities that are left in the metalwork. Another rub down with acetone. It's time to powder coat now. Unfortunately I'm using a makeshift lawnmower box due to the weather outside, but I will be arranging a new powder coating booth in the next couple of weeks, which will be a lot easier. Okay, now into the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. The colours I've been using are mid blue for the cab area, cream for the articulated box, and gloss black for the base. Okay, time now to wash the wheels with the white toothbrush in some soapy water. Cleaning the axles now in the drill with some emrig paper. Time now to fit the cleaned wheels and the polished axles. Okay, fitting the decals now. First wet the surface, and the transfers have been in water for about 30 seconds, now just starting to slip off nicely. Now dab it down just to straighten it and to dry it off. And time to fit the last transfer on this side. And also, once again, apologies for the noise. It's the rain hammering down outside, and also there's rain hammering down inside due to a leak. With the decals fitted on both sides now, and my chrome pen filling in the grill a little bit. Let's have a look what she used to look like. A little bit tatty, but not too bad. Little play wear around the edges. That's a fairly simple model to do, due to no drilling. And let's have a look what she looks like now after restoration. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope to see you next time, and please subscribe. Goodbye for now.